Hi guys, today I want to welcome you to Millionaires FX, and I want to unveil to you my simplest and most powerful strategy for 2023. Guess what? I did a backtesting of all my trading strategies. I wanted to find the one that can give me the maximum risk to reward ratio, the one that can make me more money. Of all my trading strategies, this strategy, as simple as it is, was able to give me insane amount of profit. I was making 20 to 30% profit after testing, after trading for 1 month, after backtesting for 1 month. So this particular strategy is a strategy that I want to share with everyone. I hope that you're going to apply it in your trading and you see it's going to take your trading to the next level. Honestly, if you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the thumbs up. We also have a free Telegram channel. We have a free Discord channel you can join to learn more about these techniques. Right now, I'm going to walk you through the process and I'm going to take you to the chart and show you how you can apply this technique and make insane amount of profit from the market. I'm not saying that this is a magic wand, but this particular strategy is the simplest and most easily explained strategy that have everything that you need in order to be successful as a trader. You don't need all those indicators, you don't need all those things that they're giving to you. They don't work. The only thing that works is what I'm going to show you right now. The strategy is riding the trend. How do you ride the trend? It is a very simple concept that I'm going to show you right now in the chart. Now the strategy is trading breakouts in line with the trends. We are going to be trading breakouts in line with the trend. The time frame is 4 hours. That's where we're going to be doing our analysis, and then we're going to be taking our entries on the 1 hour. Okay, we're not going to the lower time frame at all. No. For this particular strategy. Now the money management is 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and then you can even make more when you decide to ride the trend. Let's go into the chart and let me open your eyes. Let me show you something that is going to shock you on the charts. Now this is the chart of GBP USD. This is the 4-hour chart. And now I want to show you how these things work. It's very simple. We are only riding the trend. We are trading in line with the trend, and then we are only trading breakouts. Okay, so now on this particular chart we have a support here, okay, and then we have a resistance level that have been formed here. We also have, on this point, we have another one here, a significant resistance level that I can see here. So you can see that level there is a strong level. So now that we have identified all these levels, what we are waiting for, because we have seen that this market now is clearly in an uptrend. You can see it is higher high and higher low, and right now the market is actually corrected. What I've done is that it just did a little bit of correction, because the market will trend and go into rest. The market does not trend forever. It will trend a little bit and then it will go into rest, collect more orders, and then continue. So now we can see that this market is in an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But at this point, this market have not been able to break this structure. This is the single most important structure on this market. Okay, if this market should break this structure, then we will not begin to look for signs to catch selling opportunities. But right now, because this market are not breaking the structure on the 4 hours, we are actually still in a bullish trend. Okay guys, so now we're going to be looking for opportunities to ride this trend to the upside. Okay, we are looking for breakouts. So now this market is actually doing this. This market is actually doing this, and it's actually, we're waiting for the breakout to happen so that we can continue to ride this thing. We're only trading from level to level, from support levels. If it breaks to the downside, then we are going to start looking at this particular structure. If it breaks to the downside, if it breaks this structure here, then we are going to be looking at this particular structure, if the market can actually be able to work its way down to this structure. Okay guys, now, but right now the market have not broken it, and now we are waiting to see what's going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to try to speed this up a little bit so that we can see what the market is doing. So right now the market is just consolidating in a particular area. It is not moving, it's not going up, it is not going down. Okay, there's a different strategy I use to trade these particular consolidations. I have a different strategy for it. I would like you to go and watch my previous videos on how I trade this consolidation, this particular consolidation that happens. So you can also trade this. You see these breakouts, you can actually trade these breakouts and target this level here. Okay, but we didn't catch it on time. If you scale it down to the 4 hours, immediately the next candle is opening, that would have been your entry, and you target this level here. Okay, good. But now we're going to see what's going to happen, because if you watch very closely, there's a resistance here. We don't know if that is the one it is reacting to. Yeah, exactly. Okay, it is reacting to that. If it breaks above it, now we can get a buying opportunity to catch this level. But now, yeah, you can see that it is looking like it's going to break above it on the 4 hours. But another thing that you also have to consider is the timing. Okay, so now we're looking to see if it's going to break above this structure. What we're looking for is an opportunity to ride this trend. So if you take a buy here, you are still good. Okay, but you will still be able to get something from there. But what I'm looking at, I want to see this market break this structure, this structure here. This is the structure I'm looking at. I want to see if it's going to break it, so that we can be able to continue to ride this trend to the upside. Because right now this is the range of the consolidation. This is the range of the consolidation, and I'm not interested in trading around it. I have a different strategy that I use in trading inside this particular consolidation. I have a different strategy for it to trade this particular consolidation. Every strategy does not work in every market. That is one mistake a lot of people do. They say I'm trading this particular strategy, and then maybe you have a strategy that works when the market is trending, and then you want to trade it in a tight, choppy market like this. You're gonna lose big time. You're gonna keep losing and losing and losing. So now this market is now the timing. I'm looking at the timing, because all these things work with the timing. Okay, when the market is in the midnight, I'm not trading. Okay, so when it is in the daytime, when I know that there's volatility in the market and there's a breakout occurs, I know that it's going to work out. So that is the one I want to take. Okay, now it is consolidating. I don't know what's happening there, but let's wait and see what's happening. The market is actually playing around there. Let's see what's happening. I have a different strategy for this. If you have not watched my video on previous day high and low trade, go and watch my other videos on trading previous day highs and lows. I have a video on that's going to teach you how to trade the previous day highs and lows. Okay, guys, I have a video on that one. Okay, you can see it is looking like it's breaking to the downside, but look at that wick it is leaving there. Look at that wick, and look at the timing. The timing is middle of the night, so I know that the breakout is not going to happen. If it happens in the midnight, if it's just if it happens at pre-London, that there's a high probability that it is going to happen, that breakout is going to happen. But if it happens before, at the end of the close of the market, or early hours of the day, the breakout is not going to happen. That is another topic for another day. Okay, but if the breakouts happen at the beginning, at the open of the market, pre-London, pre-New York, there's a high probability that breakout is going to happen. So you also have to understand that timing play a huge role in determining if you're going to win or lose a trade. I'm also going to talk about this in another video, but on this particular one, I will just want to show you this strategy, how it works. We are actually looking at trading this breakout. Okay, as far as this market is inside here, I'm not going to take any trade. I have a different strategy for this particular one. You can trade with using the high and the low of the previous day strategy, high and low of the week strategy. I don't use that because the market is now in a choppy mode. I want to see this market begin to trend again. When it begins to trend again, that is when I want to get in and make some profit. So let me speed this up a little bit so that this video does not take too long. Okay, guys, so I want to see that breakout occur. When the breakout occur, that's when we're going to start looking for trading opportunities. Okay, it is getting closer now. Now that it's getting closer, I want us to go to the 1 hour. Okay, guys, I want us to go to the 1 hour. You can see I'm waiting for that breakout to happen. Now, because of this particular resistance here, guys, I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to. So yeah, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for that breakout to happen now, guys. Okay, you can see it have come to that level. that we are looking for on the 1 hour. This is what I call the peak formation. People who are watching my video knows what I talk about. This is what I call the peak formation. Okay, now I'm going to go to the 1 hour and I'm going to wait for that breakout to happen so that I can be able to. Okay guys, you can see it have actually happened right now. You can see that it have actually happened on the 1 hour now. So I want to take my trade right now. So now it have actually broken out. Let us wait to see if it's going to retest. Now let me give you another idea. Look at the time right now is 11 p.m. The market is actually weak. I know that this market is not going to continue. It's not going to continue. Okay, it is not going to continue. It is going to consolidate until the next day when the market open again, pre-London, pre-New York. The market is going to start moving again. Yeah, this is open of a new day. So that early hours, if the market try to break out, it's likely not going to happen. It's likely going to do some kind of retest. Right now, it's maybe some kind of retest. After the retest, that's when, you know, my entry is going to be immediately the market breaks above this previous high, because if you look at the left hand side, there's nothing. So I want to see a confirmation that after this retest, now I want to begin to look for trading opportunities. Okay guys, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit now. It's okay, so I've started going now. This is my opportunity for me to buy. I buy now because I've broken and retested that structure, and then I'm going to place my stop below the structure. Okay, yeah, I'm going to place my stop below the structure. That, yeah, I've actually bought, and now I'm going to allow this trade to run. I'm going to place my stop below the structure because I've already tested, so I don't expect it to come back. If it comes back, then it might as well take me out. I'm no longer interested in the trade. Okay, so that is it. If it comes back, so now if the market is moving in my direction, I'm going to be trailing my stop. Okay, I'm going to be trailing my stop slowly and watch this market as it is going. I'm going to be trailing my stop. It's as simple as that. Okay guys, you can see how it works. I'm going to be trailing my stops. Okay, very simple. You see it is now making you profit. Now I go to break even and stay risk free and allow this trade to run. Okay, as it is running, I'm going to be moving my stops slowly and slowly and slowly and slowly. Okay guys, it's as simple as that. So let me reiterate this particular technique again. It's this market actually created this high, came down, failed to break the high, and now it was consolidating around this level. Okay, now when it's consolidating around this level, what did I do? I waited for it to break above this previous resistance. Okay, now that I have broken above the previous resistance, I now get an opportunity to buy. Okay, it break and retested that structure, and then I got in. Now I'm trailing my stop and I'm waiting for this market to continue to move bullish. Okay, you can see that now. I'm going to continue to trail my stop. That's all I have to do right now. Sit back and relax and allow this trade to make you money. The only thing that can make me to close this trade is if I see a significant resistance on the left hand side, okay, or this market begin to break its own structure. That is where I'm going to that's where I'm going to close this trade also. Okay, so right now guys, what I want to tell you is that this particular strategy works. You can actually use it to make insane amount of money from this market. All you have to do, see that this simple trade, we're able to get this simple win. I just want to show you how it works. It's a simple strategy. You are riding the trend. Okay, very simple strategy. You're riding the trend. Look at it. It created a high, came back, but it couldn't break the low. The previous structure was not broken, so the market was just playing around there, and I waited for it to break out again from that level again, and then I bought, and then I hold it, and I'm trailing my stop until the market begins to break its own structure again. I close the trade in good profit. I hope you learned something from this particular video. This is my most powerful strategy of all the strategies that I have. This is the strategy that I've proven to make me insane amount of money from the market. Okay guys, so I want you to apply this strategy in your trading. Okay, if you want to learn more about this strategy, if I also want to learn about how we trade this choppy market here, I'm going to also drop a video on this. Okay, you can also watch my previous videos on how to trade from the highs and the low of the previous day. Okay, how to trade from the highs and the low of the previous day. I have a lot of video on YouTube. Go and watch it. You're going to learn a lot of insane things from this market. Make sure you apply the rules. Okay, allow it to break the structure, a little bit of retest. Timing is also a very important factor. If you have all these things in your favor, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't win in this market. I hope you learned something from this market. Thank you for watching, and may the market be with you. I hope that you come out in profit in 2023. Avoid all those indicators. Those things doesn't work. The things that work is the support and resistance level. This is what the market makers are looking at. This is what the retail traders are looking at. This is what the banks are looking at. This is the things that works. Apply it in your trading. Keep it as simple as possible, and you will see the amount of money that you are going to make in 2023. I hope that you win in 2023, and may the market be with you. Thank you for watching. You can join our free Discord group. The link is on the description. If you want to join our trading community, you can also join our free Telegram group. The link is also on the description. Just make sure you join and you learn more about trading. We post free signals. We teach people how to trade the markets like a professional. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give us a likes and a thumbs up. Thank you, and may the market be with you.